Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin C. In this video, I'm going to show us, my previous videos I showed us how to sign up with 86FB or 86W. It's a spot arbitrage system that enables you to earn while playing games. So what exactly I'm going to do now? I'm going to do my first, or initiate my first withdrawal on this platform. Like I told us that after a week plus, I'm going to do a withdrawal to show us the proof that you can as well withdraw your money. So let's go straight to withdrawal. I'm going to set my withdrawal password and also withdraw. So I'll click on mine. You see my balance is $100.81. This is about 56,000. So I'm going to withdraw 16,000. So I click on withdraw. Click on USDT. I've already added my USDT to our RC20. So I'll put the amount I want to withdraw. Okay. I want to withdraw 16. It's about $27.36. $27.36. So I'm going to proceed. Click on. You see, the withdrawal fee is 5%. The minimum number of withdrawals in a single day is 3. So you are permitted to withdraw 3 times in a day, maximum. So the lowest single withdrawal is 3.5. The maximum is 10 million. So guys, I want to withdraw 16,000 naira, which is equivalent to 27 USDT. So click on confirm. So guys, before we proceed, I want us to note that for you to set your withdrawal password, first of all, you need to come to mine. Once you click on mine, go to deposit and withdraw personal information. Once you click on personal information, you see withdrawal password. Click on set withdrawal password. Now you can see now it asks you for login password. You put your normal login password, then new withdrawal password, confirm new withdrawal password, and click OK. It says withdrawal password is 6 digits used to withdraw account security. So I'm going to pause this to set up my withdrawal password for us to proceed. So guys, I've finished setting my withdrawal password. You can see my withdrawal password is set. So I'll go back. You now come to withdraw. Click on USDT. I want to use USDT, so I don't want to use bank. So if your option is bank, just click on bank, because you have already saved your bank details. This is my bank details, CUDA. If I click here, the payment will go to my CUDA. But I want it to go through my Binance or my USDT account. So I click on this, put the amount I want to withdraw, 16,000, which is 27,000 plus. So they will charge me 5%. I click on confirm. So I'm going to input my withdrawal password. So I'm going to pause this video and complete this section. So you can see, click on confirm. Click on confirm withdrawal. Withdrawal has been confirmed. So let's see. Let's refresh and see. You can see 16,000 have been deducted from the account. Once you put your transaction password, everything will just, you see now, initially it was 56,003 naira point 93, and it was 100 point something dollars. Now it's now 76 point something dollars. So guys, it's pretty easy. So we're going to check. Okay, you can see under valid transaction details, you can see balance withdrawal $16, 16,000 naira. So agency rebate, you can see these are my rebates. So let's see if it has reflected on my account. So let's go to Binance. So go to USDT. So we're expecting this to drop in no distance time on our USDT account. So I'm going to pause this video till the transaction goes through. And once it goes through, I will also show us my balance on USDT. You can see this is my balance on USDT. So when it goes through, you're going to see the balance here will increase to $20-something. So guys, let's pause this video while the transaction is under processing. So guys, you can see after some few minutes, this money reflected. You can see, let's see the history. Deposit $27.36. So invariably $27.6. Let's see $27.6. $27.36. Can see? Wow, this is interesting. You see that we got our USDT directly into my Binance. You can see the time. Today's 29th, 9:50. It landed at 9:50 and it was initiated. Let's check the time of initiation. It was initiated around 9:36 and landed 9:50. So just about 14 minutes. No. Yes, 9:36 plus 4:40. So that's about 14 minutes. And it landed on my Binance account. So guys, this is a simple and pretty way to withdraw from 86W platform. You can see. If you want to also deposit, the same process. Just click on deposit, choose if it's bank you are using. You see, you can pay GMS Nigeria. Click here, put the amount, and it will direct you to where you put your card details and you make deposit. If it's USDT, click here, click the amount of amount you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 30,000. Pardon. You want to buy $30. Okay, let's say you want to buy $27.36. You can see. So that is it. Just click on confirm check recharge and to take you there. You copy the address and transfer this amount of USDT to the account, and that settles it. So guys, these are the pretty ways you can withdraw your money. And when you are withdraw, for those that are new, I'm going to also drop my Binance link so that if you wish to register through my link, you register. Then you just simply go to funding, transfer your money from your spot wallet to funding, change it to USDT. Click on my I'm sending from spot to funding USDT. You can see the balance. Click on max, click on confirm. So you see already, now go to P2P. So what we're going to do now, we're going to search for those that are willing to buy from us. So I want to filter so that I know the right people I'm going to buy from, I sell to. So you can see people are buying. If you want to buy this amount they're going to pay. So I'm selling, I'm not buying. So you can see BTC is very high now. So let's assume I want to sell. I want to sell to this young man. Okay. Okay, let's assume I can also filter to show only merchants. You can see the amount merchants are selling. So let's say I want to sell to this guy. Just click on all. See the amount is going to give me naira. About 15,986. So which is almost the same amount which I withdrew. So if you don't want to use merchant, you can turn it off and search again. Next I want to use this guy. So this is how you can sell if you want to sell to, if you want to sell using your Binance. So they will now send, this person will now send this money to your bank account, and once you confirm payment, the Binance will release the token or the USDT to the person. So guys, this is a pretty simple way you can do that. Or if you don't want to pass through this stress, just choose your bank when withdrawing and the money will hit your bank account straight away. So that's the two ways you can get your money. So once you proceed, once I proceed now, you see this money will hit my Binance, my bank account, my Kuda account, and voila, the money will hit there. So that is just it for this video, guys. So I'm going to end it here. Okay, let me just proceed. Let me use this guy. The guy's online, but let me see his terms and see. Okay, look at the people that I bought from him. He has good reviews, so you can check out all those things. Let me see if he has terms. Hello, I'm online and fast. I charge 100 naira. So you see, he charges 100 naira, which is against Binance policy. 15 naira for stamp duty and 10 naira. So that's how a lot of them run into issues with their account, because they keep charging, and Binance have warned them not to be charging, additional 100 naira. So these are the issues. That's why most times I don't like selling to them. I like selling to the merchants. You can see I don't pay Kobo, blah 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 blah. Don't use crypto. Nice rating. Don't recharge. So like this guy now. Okay, I might decide to. What is this rating? Okay. The guy has a good rating, so I can go with the guy. So just click on this, click on all. So I'm going to get my $16. I'm sending it to my Kuda. So I think I'm okay with this guy. I don't pay Kobo due to blah 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 use related. So just click on sell. So you're going to send me 16,000 naira. Now let's see if he's charging. I will tell him to cancel the order. Nice rating remark. So I'm expecting 16,000 on the dot from this guy, which are exactly what I initiated here. So, but if you wish to, like for us, if not that I'm using this for a video, I wouldn't have withdrawn. I would have used it to, trade on my Binance. So for those that want to trade, or I will leave it, when you appreciate, I'll sell. So that's just it. But I just did this for the purpose of this training. So you can see I'm waiting for buyers to make payment. So once he makes payment, here we change to yellow, and they say buyer. They will send me a notification that the buyer has marked the order complete. So I will now go to my bank app and check. I now open my bank app, my Kuda, and check if truly actually I've received the payment. So once I receive the payment, I'll just click payment received. So let me pause this. So guys, you can see the transaction I reflected. You can see the date, the time, 29th of March. You can see it. Providence/Bank International. It's sent through Providence Bank. You can see. So you can see he has marked the order complete. You see now, say investor tracker. Austin blah 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 has marked order as paid. Please confirm that you have received the payment and release the asset. Please note that make sure to log into your account and confirm that you have received the payment before releasing the assets to avoid losses. So I've logged into my Kuda and I've confirmed that he has made this payment. He paid 16,000, which he told me on his instruction that he doesn't pay in Kobo. So I understand that and I'm okay with that. So I see payment received. So I just click on payment received. Then they will now ask me, have you not received payment from buyer? I have received. I have not received. I have received. So I have received. So I click on I have received. Then click on confirm. So voila. You now send me a code. Click on send code to verify that I'm the one accepting this transaction. They'll send a code, and you copy and paste the code here. Click on submit, and that's end this transaction. You can see done, transaction done. Then I will rate this guy positive rating. It was fast and reliable. So I click on done. You can see positive rating. So this is how you can sell your 86 FB USDT into your naira through Binance P2P. So that is it for this course. For those that are not that didn't get this right or don't know how to go about it, you can chat me up and I will guide you through the process. So, but if you know you're going to find it tedious, you can go through the normal bank process and do your withdrawal. So it's pretty easy. So guys, that is it for this section. Thank you for watching. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. And also endeavor to share this video to all your friends or your clients, those that are registered under your downlines and your uplines, those that are finding it difficult or that have not done withdrawal before, to be able to go through this video and know how to initiate their withdrawal. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.